name's Gideon, and I am 10 years old. My family eats a whole food, plant-based diet. And today I'm going to show you how to make the spicy buffalo pasta salad. From the PlantPure Kitchen by Kim Campbell. Now, and we'll need a high-powered blender right here. And first, we'll add 1/4 cup cashews, 2 teaspoons garlic powder. Now notice I'm doubling the recipe. 1/2 cup Frank's hot sauce. 3 tablespoons raw maple syrup.
Does that taste yummy?
1/4 cup of sesame seeds.
What? I don't remember the taste of it.
Alex, let me 6 tablespoons lemon juice.
Blend it up. This is blended up. This is blended up.
And now
Blended up.
we will blend it up until it is smooth. So this is the seasoning all blended up. I should have used a small container. I now know that. It did not blend up as well as I thought it would, but it'll be fine. So now we'll put that there, and we will add 5 cups of lettuce. Since I'm doubling it, it'll be 10 cups. Okay, we'll just plop that in with my noodles, which is 20 ounces of noodles, because I'm doubling it. It's 20 ounces, and 4 cups of peas. Okay, so and you want the pea and the frozen peas, so you want them to be thawed. I'm gonna add this all in. There we go, all the lettuce. 4 carrots and 4 stalks of celery. That goes in. And then we will add this in after we mix it.
Oh yeah.
Hi, so I forgot to add the tofu. And so you're supposed to add 8 ounces of tofu, but it's technically 4. Okay, so we'll pop this in there. Probably why it didn't turn out so great. Okay. So we'll blend this up really quick. So this is how it turns out when you add all the ingredients and when you blend it up properly. So now I'll just put this into here. This goes into here. What? There we go. Now I'll just mix it all up.
So delicious. So
I
delicious.
think doubling the sauce was a good idea, but the Frank's original hot sauce is a bit too spicy, so I wouldn't double that part. Just leave it the same.
Yeah, but all the pasta in there and the sauce, it tastes really great.
Yeah,
So you
yeah,
think
it tastes so
next-
good. I love all
Lily,
that.
you're saying next time you would double the amount of dressing except for the Frank's Red Hot part?
Yeah.
But everybody likes it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thumbs
delicious.
up.
Delicious.